everyone. It's pretty loud today. Just wanted to do a quick little tour of a new unit that just came in. The 2021 Forest River Wildwood. It's a 42 FK. Just wanted to give you a quick peek because OMG, I love it. Let's go inside. Okay, so we come on in the patio door and look at this. Isn't this lovely? So of course your FK stands for your front kitchen. Here's your living area, which is kind of in the center. So we've got your sofa, more Thomas Paine sofa, entertainment center with fireplace. Let's go look at the kitchen. I love the kitchen. Very, very spacious. We got your stainless steel appliances. It's cold out today. Whew. Your freestanding table with 4 chairs. Let's check out this pantry too. Look at all the space in there. Lots of space. So doesn't look like much that you could, potentially sleep a lot, but check it out. There's an upstairs loft also. So as you come right in the patio door, you see those stairs. Let's take a quick peek. So up the stairs, and we actually have 2 sides. So we've got one that's going to overlook your living area in your kitchen. And on the other side, you've got another area for 2 more. Down the stairs, into the main bedroom. Oh, that's the TV box on the bed. Sorry about that. What I love too is look at the size of this dresser. Huge. And then beside the bed here, you've got your wardrobe. Lovely. And let's check out the bathroom. I haven't even seen the bathroom yet. Oh, look at this vanity. I'd like that vanity for my house. Nice stand-up shower with this tub surround. It's beautiful. Anywho, like I said, it's a brand new unit. It literally just got dropped off. It's a 2021 Forest River Wildwood 42 FK. So if you want to give us a call, come on and have a peek. That'd be great. So you can call or text us at 613-382-4400. Hopefully we see you soon. Bye.